In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TikTok Shop to your TikTok profile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch to a business account and connect the tools you need to start selling on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use for your shop. From the home screen, go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. At the top, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Choose Settings and Privacy, then go to Account. Here, select Switch to Business Account. This change is free and helps unlock features designed for brands and sellers. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully. You'll be asked to select a category that best describes your content or business. Pick the one that fits your products or niche so TikTok can tailor tools and recommendations. You may also be asked for basic details, like a business email and other information that helps your account look professional and trustworthy. Take a moment to review your profile after this step. Your bio and profile photo should clearly reflect your brand. Once you've switched to a business account, you're ready to set up TikTok Shop. To do that, make sure you've downloaded the TikTok Seller app, or you can use the TikTok Seller Center on the web if that's available in your region. Sign in with the same TikTok account you just switched to business. The seller setup will guide you through everything you need, including your business information, pickup or shipping details, and payout information so you can get paid. Be prepared to fill out the forms completely and provide any documents they request, such as identification or business verification. Requirements can vary by location, so read each prompt closely and upload clear, accurate files. You do not need 1,000 followers to open a shop. The key is completing the seller setup and submitting the documents they ask for. If something isn't approved right away, double-check that your information matches your documents and that your contact details are correct. Also, make sure your app is updated. Menu labels can change slightly with new versions. After your seller account is verified, the TikTok Shop features will become available on your profile. From there, you'll be able to showcase products and manage your catalog through the seller tools. That's it. Switch to a business account, finish your seller setup, and you're ready to start selling on TikTok.